Hi guys, it's Kenny Yu here. Today I'm introducing a brand new listing of mine in Madeley, number 11, Tambora Bend. It is a 4x2 home with a study and theatre. It's beautifully appointed. Look at this amount of driveway space. If you have got a caravan or vehicle that you need an extra parking, you can park here, you feel safe, feel secure. Without further ado, come through and have a look at the home. Today we are with the owners of the property, Sam and Mia. How are you guys?
Doing good, thank
How are you?
Fantastic. Would you like to tell us a little bit about your home and the reason of your selling?
So this has been our first property and we have been here for past 5 years. This has been home to us and I had my baby here.
Oh.
It has a lot of memories for me. I really love this place. The location is beautiful, the neighborhood is beautiful. It is a 4x2 with an entertainment area. We have converted one of our bedrooms into an office area. It has a very beautiful patio where we usually call our friends for barbecue, and it's much easier outside because it has enough parking space for everybody to come in and good beautiful place to be into.
Oh God, that's amazing. Seems like you have a lot of wonderful times here.
Absolutely.
Yeah, this place has been good to us. We're just moving on to a different phase of our lives, moving somewhere which is closer to our work. But yeah, we've enjoyed every moment.
Awesome. Yeah. So maybe before we go, just one last point. Which is the favorite part of this house? Let us know.
So it's our entertainment area and my baby's room. So I had to convert one of my bedrooms into a nursery. So it was the fun bit where I had every moment in making that bedroom look like a baby's room. And it's a gorgeous feeling.
Yeah. Look at the amount of work you guys put in, and you put in a lot of work and sweat and did a lot of renovation in the years, I've noticed as well.
Yes, we have. We have actually changed the flooring as well as we have changed the
ensuite and the walk-in robes. Yes, we like where we live, so we obviously invested into it. And we are sure that whoever moves in will also like the experience living here.
Okay, fantastic. All right, guys, thanks very much for introducing the home. I'm sure the viewers would prefer to hear from the owners rather than from the agent. But anyway, guys, thank you very much.
Thanks, Kenny.
Thank you so much, Kenny.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.